Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with PenFed personal loans. PenFed Credit Union offers a variety of personal loan options designed to meet different financial needs. Whether you're looking to consolidate debt, finance a home improvement project, cover unexpected expenses, or even plan a dream vacation, PenFed may have a loan that fits your situation. Their website, located at www.penfed.org/personal-loans, provides a comprehensive overview of their personal loan offerings. Navigating to the personal loans section of their website allows you to explore the various loan types available. You'll find information regarding loan amounts, interest rates, repayment terms, and eligibility requirements. PenFed emphasizes competitive rates and flexible repayment schedules, making them a potentially attractive option for borrowers. They also highlight the convenience of online applications and funding, streamlining the borrowing process for a quicker and more efficient experience. One key feature potential borrowers should investigate is the range of loan amounts offered. Understanding the minimum and maximum loan amounts available is crucial for determining if PenFed aligns with your borrowing needs. Equally important are the interest rates. While PenFed promotes competitive rates, it's essential to remember that individual rates can vary based on factors like credit score, loan term, and loan amount. Be sure to carefully review the terms and conditions to fully grasp the total cost of the loan. Further exploration of the PenFed website will likely reveal information on specific loan products, such as debt consolidation loans or home improvement loans. Each loan type may come with its own set of features and benefits, so it's beneficial to compare the various options to find the best fit. Remember to check for any applicable fees or prepayment penalties, as these can impact the overall cost of the loan. Finally, taking advantage of the resources and tools available on the PenFed website can provide valuable insights into the loan application process. You may find FAQs, loan calculators, and other helpful resources designed to assist you in making informed borrowing decisions. Before applying for any loan, it's always prudent to thoroughly research and compare different lenders to ensure you're securing the most favorable terms.